Hi, this is Erwin Oliva. I'm here with Coxie.
Coxie Blue.
Coxie Blue or
I have Coxie Blue.
Koi.
Hi guys, it's Koi.
Koi is also a video blogger like Happy Sleep, and if you see right behind you there, Happy Sleep is being mobbed by
Yeah, a lot of fans.
fans and bloggers. And Koi, how do you feel that you're now here? You were able to meet Happy Sleep up close and personal.
It was always been a dream. Talagang gustong-gusto ko siya makilala kasi she's like my very inspiration. Kaya ako nag-start for video blogging. And well, I met her already like a couple of weeks ago. Pero ngayon, I got to talk to her again and sobrang natuwa ako kasi nanonood siya. Napanood niya yung video, yung interview ko sa kanya.
Yeah, where you were hugged several
Yeah,
times.
so yung hindi ako nag-hug back kasi shy ako eh.
Hey, you mentioned being shy, but you're one of the popular video bloggers in the country.
Thanks.
And why do you video blog? I mean, why do you do your video?
Like most video bloggers, I video blog because you want to express your creativity. Tapos there's a part of your life that you want to to share to everyone. And parang bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na talagang gumawa ng movies. So doon ko siya na-express kahit hindi ko siya magawa professionally, at least as a hobby na ipapakita ko siya. And the internet is really the new media ngayon, yung vlogging, kasi most people go to the internet na. Kaya talagang if you want if you want an audience that will hear you, and if you want to share your thoughts, creativity, the internet is a perfect place. Yeah.
Just a quick one, what are your general advice for other people who want to do a video blog?
Video blog. Well, of course, syempre, you should have the passion. Katulad na sinabi ni Happy Sleep, you should have the passion in you to make these videos. Kasi if you don't have the passion, syempre, kasi kailangan ng patience talaga eh. Kasi once you do your first video blog, you have to edit, syempre shoot muna, and a minute of 1 minute of video, talagang ilang hours mo siyang gagawin, like 8 to 10 hours, dahil na pa nag-umpisa ka pa lang. So you should have the passion para so that it will keep you going, and then syempre the patience in studying or learning the art of video blogging. And just have fun. Have fun kasi you should vlog about things that you love. Diba?
Okay.
So that's it.
And I understand you're still studying in UP, finishing up. Where do you find the time to video blog?
Okay, so I only have like 9 units na lang.
Okay.
Kasi nag-thesis na lang ako ngayon. It's like
Computer science, right?
Yeah, computer science. It's my last semester. Hopefully matapos na. Well, kasi hindi ko siya magagawa ng yung videos, hindi ko siya magagawa ng one day. Talaga. So, parang every night I take like 30 minutes to edit. Tapos, kasi it distresses me rin eh. To do this stuff.